going to do another cartoon, but a man. We're going to start with a long nose. So start here. You do a nice long nose like this. And curl under and back and up. Like a little curve like that. Okay? Next, we're going to do the other nostril like that. Just a little bump. And then on this side, we're going to do the eye. It's going to curl down like this. Just like that. And then this is slanted. Just like that. And he's going to be looking off this way. Next, we're going to do the eye on this side. And it's also slanted. And make him looking far left. Okay? Then what makes this guy really fun is his big, thick eyebrows. So make a nice thick eyebrows. The same line as the eye. See this eye? It's parallel to the eye. So up it comes like this. Nice thick eyebrows. Let's make them nice and dark. They kind of come to a tip. Okay? This side is going to be lower than that side. So come down to maybe here. And it even touches the eye. And kind of goes off. There we go. Make it nice and dark. And then let's do the top of his forehead. Goes like this. And touches the eyebrow. And then under the eye, it's going to go, there's his cheekbone. It comes in like that. Good. Now, let's do some little crinkles on his eye, like that. And just a quick little line under his eye, just like that. Now his big grin. So here's the bottom of his nose. You want to go just kind of there about. It's like a backward 7. And it's going to come down. This is his nice big grin. Down and then right underneath his nose. And then up on this side. Across like that. And do a little flick. Like that. Okay? Now, his huge chin. Are you ready? So on this side, you're just going to go make him have a huge chin, which makes him really fun. And it sticks out a little bit. And then back up to that line. Okay? I'm going to add a little lip, because I like the look of that. There he is. And do a little curl for his chin. Let's do another line here. And his big, thick neck is going to start underneath that little curl. And then right next to this line, go straight down. His big, thick neck. Now he's shrugging his forehead, so let's put some lines on his forehead. Let's kind of rainbow shapes. 1, 2, and then a half line like that. And he has quite nice hair, so let's do his nice hair. Ready? So start here, and go flick, and go up. Nice big swath hair. And then slope down. Okay? And then there's the other line like that. So let's fill that in. Now if he has lots of gel, you might have a nice shine mark there. So see how I leave it white? That makes it look really shiny and black. Or you can fill it in if you want blonde hair or something. And then next to his eyebrow, you're going to make it come in and down into a sideburn. Like that shape. You can make him balding or you can give him lots of hair, whatever you'd like. But we're just going to do this simple shape like that. Fill that all in. You wouldn't have much shine mark on that hair, so we're going to fill that in. Get that nice and smooth if you want. And then he has huge ears, so let's do a nice big ear. And a big earlobe, like that. And then goes up and over and down. And then a little curve in there. And that's your man.